so many memories. It's so crazy. It's like good memories, but it's crazy. This is a bench that my best friend and I, Joni, who just had her newborn baby, would always come. I think we spent almost every single summer at her house, every single day. I'd be sleeping over there. And we'd go for a walk, and this would be our spot. It was the rock, and we would come over here and just talk about anything and everything, where we saw ourselves, what our dream ideas of our perfect life would be. And it's just crazy to be here now, and, you know, to truly feel like I'm living that life that I'd always dreamt of. It's just crazy how fast time flies. It really is. I think that's what sits in more than anything else. It's just, you have to appreciate every single moment. It literally goes by like that. She doesn't want to be filmed. Just like her mom. This is how you know she's not my child.
And she's mine.
Cheers, Isabella. This is to you and being the newest member of our crew. Congrats. Congrats, Joni. Thanks for bringing the angel into the world. 2 weeks old. Just chilling in her little cocoon. It's crazy. And now we're taking a regular annual girls photo with the new addition. She's part of the crew now.
4 wives and a baby.
There's so many things I love about Vancouver, starting with the great outdoors. I mean, this is my favorite part about camping. The snacks, the s'mores, the food. Oh, we need a lighter, I think. Oh, there's veggies. Matt and I have never been camping, so I thought it would be fun.
There's wood there.
Liars?
Yeah.
You watch the show Pretty Little Liars?
You're so annoying.
Really? I figured I
Have you ever seen much music?
Yeah.
Much music, Matt Babel. Entertainment
I
Tonight.
recognized you
Mind
guys.
blown. Matt Babel.
shit,
This
this
is Matt
is
Babel on
crazy.
ET Canada. This is Matt Babel live from Much Music Studios.
That's actually crazy.
Yeah.
I recognized you both, and I was like, where the fuck did I recognize
Much
them
music.
from?
That's good.
Nuts.
See,
And
right
you're
here.
Pretty Little Liars.
That was good.
That's so cool. It's so
Funny.
awesome to meet you guys.
Nice to meet you.
What's your famous? She usually says like, "Don't let the liars get you" or something. What's your thing you normally say?
So sad.
He's like reporting live, Matt. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
That's how he signs off. Just like reporting.
Shay, you're already snacking when we have to set up.
You know how to do it though, right? You watch
Oh, it's chilly already. We need a fire.
What's that?
We need a fire.
I don't know what you're getting ready for right now. You're going to combat.
This is my camping gear. I'm not wearing my loafers.
A parka, dress shoes, and army pants. Are you confused?
It's cold, hence the parka, the camo,
Sweatshirt.
so I fit in with the nature. All right. Matt, honestly, you keep f***ing doing that. My earring, I just got my ears pierced.
No.
I'm gonna kick your balls so you know what the f*** I feel like. Okay?
You okay?
This is so cool.
This will fire right up. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Oh my god.
Ooh, see?
I mean, It's not contained, Matt. Oh my gosh.
Shay, what are you doing?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm taking photos with Flan.
With who?
Flan!
Where did she come from?
I dropped a pin.
Jesus Christ. Hi, Flan. Babe, you're not respecting my fire right now. It's not always how you start, it's how you finish. And this is outstanding.
While Matt and I aren't the outdoorsy type per se, that was a good start. So I figured, why not keep going? When in Rome, right? We started with a little crabbing.
I like crab. I eat crab.
Fishing! Fishing! Jumping off the edge.
We're actually going crabbing. The key is to throw as far as you can.
What about like a rodeo swing
People
like
do
this?
that? Yeah.
Okay.
Are you good at that?
I wouldn't, if you're gonna stand around her, I wouldn't recommend it.
Wait. Sorry.
You want me to show her how to do it?
Sure.
So she knows?
Wow.
My God. This is a big one.
What's his name?
Freddie.
Oh no, no name.
No, I'm just kidding. You know what? I do believe though, if you catch it and you eat it,
Yeah.
you're not wasting it.
Exactly.
So, here you go. Sauna time. Don't Rest in peace, Freddie.
We also did some hiking.
Snow tires for your feet. Got serious heavy chains. Oh yeah, sturdy. So in LA, how people are like, so you take the 405 to the I-5 to the whatever. In Vancouver, we talk trails. It's like, oh, is this where you do the lions? Then it cuts into the boulders. But then you can almost do the grizzlies. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Growing up in Vancouver, I never really came to Cyprus to hike. I'm so happy that we finally came up here today. This is insane.
And some kayaking.
I can't even do it. Boots are too big.
Well, kind of. I mean, I didn't quite make it the whole way.
My arm got tired. This is really nice. Get me towed.
And judging by the fact that Matt put his suit on backwards, well, I might have pushed it a little too far when I signed us up to go swimming with the seals.
That sucks.
How did that happen?
How that happened? I'm black, we're not very accustomed to wetsuits. Take a seat now. Please. Guys, go. We ready to rock?
Yep, I can.
Have we got everybody?
Everyone's here?
Oh my god, there's Pete.
Sweating, you're sweating.
How cold's the water?
It's a little chilly.
I mean, if a Canadian's saying it's a little chilly, it means it's actually effing freezing.
Hey, Kevin.
Okay.
How cold's the water, man?
Don't lie, Kev.
About 13.
You totally dry clean all these suits, right? After each and every use.
Oh, we sanitize, don't worry.
Oh, okay.
Like crazy.
Oh my god, I never even thought of that.
Don't worry.
I mean, especially the guys. That's how you keep warm. Clean your suit. Yellow looks better for the grab, right?
Things I do out of support, honey.
It feels cold at first, and then your body warms up
For real though, I'm not sure anything will ever top what we did next. There's not many places you can go snorkeling with seals and kayaking on a glacier in one day. Guys, you should get away from me. Show me the arm movement again. Wow! Whoa! I did it that time! Fishing out in paradise. We want to slowly wheel it back in. Okay? Come on. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Stop reeling for a second. Is it fighting or is that you just?
Well, that was kind of me. It stuck on something. Oh my gosh! Of course, I broke the fishing rod. Or the string, whatever. The lure, fish, fake fish at the end.
Since I ruined our chances of catching dinner, we opted to buy it instead. And luckily, Vancouver is home to some of the freshest food and best restaurants in the world. So we didn't have to look too far.
Only in Vancouver. One of the things that I love about Vancouver, and one that everyone else loves too, is the fresh seafood. And it's no wonder because the ocean is right there.
What's happening?
I'm learning all about spot prawns.
Sweet. And then the drug of choice.
Right?
Everybody lines up for them.
Right?
Let's get some out of there and show these guys.
Here, these, oh!
It's okay, it won't bite you.
These are big guys.
Have you tried them before?
I don't know if I have to be honest.
They're probably the most celebrated food ingredient in the country by a long shot.
Wow.
And it's also sustainable. Do you eat sashimi?
Yeah.
Okay. That's
Oh,
excellent.
I mean, like, you're gonna open it. Oh my god, oh my god.
Get over here. Shay, come here, Shay.
I can't do it.
You can. This is what chef's gonna give you.
I know. It's
Just exactly the same thing. This is a fisherman's breakfast. And this is the ocean.
It's still moving.
In Tokyo, that's $40, eh, Chef?
I know.
Maybe more. Don't worry, just break them up and chew it. Just bite on it and chew it.
I can't do it.
I'll try it.
Great, there you go. Yes, Chris! Oh, wow.
That's the picture.
Where are we headed now? That was the prawn section, and where are we going?
Yes, about 10 minutes walk from here, and then go down to the public market, which is the main fish and then the vegetable market. It's very famous in Vancouver. Personally, I come here for supporting the local fish.
I mean, I go to Granville Island too. I just get the pizza. It's easy. You know, I don't have to cook anything.
Exactly.
Right there. Probably do that today. So this is where you get your fish from?
Yes.
So by looking at this, how do you know it's fresh?
Okay, first of all, when you come into the market, You don't even feel the fishy smell. Once I go to the supermarket and fishy and then step back and then bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Because maybe fish is not
It's not fresh. Bye-bye.
bye-bye, that's it. Yeah.
Okay.
And the fish looked great and all, but like I promised, I had to pay another shop a visit.
Shay?
One Hawaiian, one.
Yeah, and one Hawaiian.
Try a little bit of this for safety. Wow. Ooh, that's good.
I got us some drinks.
Sometimes it takes leaving a place to really appreciate it. I love LA, but Vancouver will always have my heart.
It's like you need that shot, bird's eye view of the city to really get the perspective.
Until next time.